Today I am showing you the Willis 2060 ENC lathe with the Fanuc series OITF control, currently being installed in sunny Southern California. You can see the 20 horsepower spindle motor has a low, medium, high range, a A28 spindle nose, a 5 Morse taper tailstock that comes with 6 inches of travel, an 8 station tool changer, and as I said, the Fanuc OI series. This is day 2 of our training. We did a little turn in a groove. There you can see the nice finish we have on it. A pull-out front chip pan for easy removal of chips. As we go to the headstock here, easy access panel to get in for any maintenance, changing of the coolant pump, the heat exchanger pump, belts, prop switches, adding lube, adding headstock oil, anything of that nature. Around the back side you'll see there's a coolant pump for the coolant system, and on the tailstock you also have the automatic way lube with the access panel to get into the tailstock. This machine comes with door interlock safety switches on each end of the machine. Here's the tailstock and here's the headstock. Also comes with the interlock switch for the doors. Doors open limits the RPM speeds. Manual movement of the turrets allowed, but anything automated will not happen with the door open. Some other features on this lathe is the flow control for the coolant through the turret. You can also couple the saddle with the tailstock and pull it up to the truck or wherever you need it. Another nice feature is the control will actually slide up and down the machine, so you can easily set your tools if needed. Another feature you get is the USB stick and the manual. The USB stick will have all the PDF files that you need on the machine, backups, warranty information, anything that has to do operational, all in there. And you'll get that with the delivery of the machine.